We're going to do a new idea here. We're going to do a mock-up. Of what we have. Gonna put this together quick, make sure it's gonna do what we want it to. Yeah. Make sure it's kind of half square. Yep. Okay. We got these, and they got a couple little 45 notches. And that will go, this one's on top, right? Yep. That slides in there. Turn it around. It's got 45s on it. That one will go down. Okay. Slide them together. Obviously, we'd have glue on all these. Okay, not bad. We got this one that goes right down the center here. There. There. Not too bad. Terminal cup hole. Just got to put all the sides on it. Yep. Add some glue, we'll be good. Looks cool.